Hi there, my name is Rex Ndengea. I am your Wagona maths teacher. In this video, we are going to explain to you the student interface on the Wagona maths platform.
To begin, I'll start off with the sign-up process on how to create an account. In order to create an account, click the sign up button on the home page. It will take you to a sign-up page. There are two different types of accounts available. One of them is linked to your school and the other is for independent home learning. In this video, I'll be using the home-based account for my example, but the interface for the school account is exactly the same. To create an individual account, click the Home button. It will take you to a page with two forms to be filled out. The form on the left is for the student, while the form on the right is for the parent. The two accounts don't have to be created at the same time. The parent account can always be created afterward. After filling in the form and clicking submit, we're now good to go. On signing in, using your account and password, you are taken to your landing page. The main features of the landing page include the Assignments tab, where you can view completed and pending homeworks, the Test History tab, where you can view a record of all of the tests that have been completed since the day of registration, and the columns that show progress on the different parts of the syllabus. I will now explain how to take a test and get instant feedback. To take a test, click the Take a Test button and a pop-up window should come up with all of the available topics. As you can see, each topic is color-coded. This is what we call the Bragg system, standing for black, red, amber, and green. The topics that are in red are the ones that show that the student is not doing so well and needs support. Amber topics show that the student is doing okay, but there is always room for improvement. Green reflects that the student is doing well and is on the right track. I will now select a topic to take a test. If I select a topic and choose to take a test, I will be taken to a test page where I can begin to start answering the questions. When you have reached the end of the test, you will be given the option to mark the test or to leave. If you click Mark the Tests, you will be given your mark immediately and will be logged onto your test history. If you've noticed that you've got a few questions wrong and are unsure on why, click the Explanation tab and you will be given a full explanation on how to work out the question. Now that you understand where you've made the mistake, you're free to retake the test until you get given a green on the Bragg system. Furthermore, the syllabus columns show the last 5 tests taken. For example, on the Form 3 column, if I click any of the scores, I'll be shown my test and how I answered the questions. As I've explained earlier, now that you've seen where your error have been made, you are free to now retake the test. Moving on, assignments can either be homework or progress tests issued by a teacher. The little red number in the corner, in my case a 2, indicates the number of assignments awaiting completion. If I click the Assignments tab, I can see all of the homeworks I've completed, including the ones awaiting completion. To complete the homework, I simply click the View button. And I can begin to work out the questions. In order to view previous homeworks, you can also use the View button to see exactly how well you've done in that particular assignment. I will now move on to the test history. If you click onto the test history button, you'll be taken to a page that has records of all of the tests that you have completed since the day of registration. You can see exactly how well that you've done in the test by clicking the View button. In conclusion, you'll find that Wagona is a great tool to use for further maths education. It's very good at tracking your progress and highlighting areas that could be improved. The more you use it, the more accurate the assessment. So why wait? Go on and register in Wagona and start improving your maths today.
Don't work harder, work smarter. Wagona Meds.